Wahala be like Queen Rita Dis Gwan, Lady of Song and Ambassador Destiny Bagwa. Oya, make una listen, my people. Abeg make una help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next video.
E Destiny Bagwa no vio sa ugwe o. Destiny o osiesiga. E Destiny no vio sa ugwe o. Destiny o sa ugwe. Destiny Bagwa no vio sa ugwe o. Destiny o osiesiga. You know all those kind of music with the ojo pakan. The ojo the pakan put for ear. You want to do more. Hyping is a spirit. People who have the idea, if they want to take from you, they hype your spirit. Not because you are really like that. Now you go can't use your sense. Now this guy can't defer for different BC. You want really to meet up to the standard of that hyping. You want to meet up to the expectation. It is saying not true. What is the salary of hyping? You want to meet up to the winning. So when they're not going to see all those things for musicians' body, then you not fact boa as musician to musician. Quarrel enter their body, competitions enter their body. They started to compete among them instead of them to come back together and be one. Heavy competition can enter their body. They can't run the spirit of disunity. They can't run the spirit of na me get and pass. I meet you, I pass you. They can't run the spirit of waiting and talk now. They want to do something for inside air. Even you know those kind of things. That one come they enter. And this girl was a potential story bringer inside that ear. A story of every way ear, not be small thing. The people we can't even meet. He met Sandra Agbogo in music. He met her on drama. He met all of them. Paakube, or meet over here, Makopa. You don't kekiri. You ain't kekiri, or when you can't try, maybe even the, you know, all those kind of intimidation and disrespect that is not supposed. The carry and can't give them. Then, when that disunity, having disunity can enter their body, the amount of con defeat. When they don't want to see those kind of things where they do follow themselves as musician, you need so. You so elzo irene. Now you move on musician, all those things can they fade away. It can't be present at all. Presenter came out into cyberspace. Heavy pain. When they enter most of their body, they say people don't they watch a do movie again. If I watch a do movie, a do presenter say, man, if you do a near do presenter say, are you go or bon? There plenty. And this Destiny and Esther, they are share men and share lady inside with you and the torso. I know the joke. I'm telling you guys that, yeah, fact. They can't say, they saw it as a very big challenge to say, present a going to live video. 500 people would watch them. People can't like time and anytime away pass a do video where they will sit down they watch. A do video started fading away. Their anger started increasing. Then they develop other method of saying, okay, how they want content because they have loved it before. Wait, they say that they use their name to the chat. Musicians go they use their name to they play. Be like say those things can't they fade away. They can't they enter presenter's body. Go they give this one 200. If person don't just get 40,000 followers or 50,000 followers, they will go there indirectly. Go they give them 200,000, 300,000. And we know you need I see one. If you enter platform instead where you go talk with the character, you can the praise them. Ou do a hono en do a praise en avec no praise J no praise banedo. Do a mon botoni avec platform no so faki. They wanted those kind of big respect. Heavy ones. They were running into all these presenters who love money. Since when I did the social media, nobody. I know nobody from anywhere. Many of our na me we be rejected. Be like say I saw future. Many offer, take 50,000, take 100,000, il me. I want the comfortable. Et la video, il me wa like him in the tana. The way I take sit down here, I know they owe you shishi. I know they take person for money, take money for person, take talk for this matter, take support this one. I've never done it one day since I did do live video. Imagine when you go win an name, they might you go more matter there. Where they say matter. I know use money collect matter one day. Plenty matter they reach my table. I consider you want to go me go with time. Yeah, till today, 5 years in the baby live video now. Evidence of barrel where I take don't follow anybody do that thing. That one is to tell you that you go marry live video now. It's an evidence. So 9% when they talk, say I'll just look them. Then you go marry my bag and why I marry 5,000 me, you 200,000 me, you go no masaya you understand before. I for also they inside. They do the same thing. You understand, my darling people? They come the one made they talk to. You know, I'm boldly present us in radio cyberspace. Ik back be and no way be. You know, I'm dying. They say me that they destroy themselves, me that they fight themselves. If now I'm not worried now, because some of them come they do have woman. When I know have woman, I see I read you talk. Even the one where you go put for inside house, you go wrong, go take her for a cocoa for them. One come make. They were doing avoma. So that avoma thing come depending. To say, when we get many skeletons for cupboard, I know some people will get skeleton for cupboard. If first they do avoma follow you, you go pain them where to say, this person want come our secret, like when I bat you are 12, the way I bat just they bring them out with evidence. See how much with those people don't hold people. If to say I bat not talking, how now want to know? Say money with the whole people. You pass that one. You go near your phone and even go reach their own friend. Or bonove beniya, you know you go buy. They threaten evil people. Now that one the first thing they know them. If you want to talk, they'll threaten you. Like they can't use fake account. They write for my comment section. You know they fear your mama, your papa. You know they fear your mama, your papa. They remember Jimmy Agbe and your redende beniya for wa. Or give me why? Or give me tana. Or hon bon ye me na you know. Or hon ye sagin ye be sagin ye ro ba gbon welu ho. Blood never dey you want to mami agbonre. If a different junction, am I we be sagin my wa ro, but they don't come we go won na no mo. Wo ya ta mesa lugba we kinu ye. My own adeye, wetin I want talk, I go talk am. And if to say they no even come enter my trap, wetin I dey talk so I no go even dey talk am. Ye ko go no we na me ma dey eri business me ye mo say. But when I know these people when they do it, when they go is a muya na do agbali mania gbe wa the streets when they were not needing people to use to make money. Jesus. Not be so much you. The way money matter can't hold the rich, nobody don't know say. Iyan siyan sane wo wa million go talk book. That one ame no pare na. We busy everywhere, don't get us be again you are like on the street. You just carry lie. On a do jamais wo ni ma pa eva. On a do jije me wo we je me yan we to take asu. Or where or da for me we aswin. Or where abitif na so identify money. Ha? E na vie buje me wo. Je me na we na worry. Or ike ya wo ike ya hion man. Mi no ma eke no ma here ya we here the dag mo here. Because she said she dey go abroad. You just look everywhere, say, one use me do advert of abroad where you won't go. Oh, come no wa. Again, na. Make ben when we are you do when we are ben ya remain over here. Ijeri agmonje. Abroad money don't they come down. If she just puts post for up, say you want do this thing. Not be now where I don't understand. That time I never understand. Or if you just go do new post, say you want come abroad. You go just look for. Or when you go say, I want you to do advert where I want to come abroad. Darling, choose it now. So, if you be a kind of man, now you go follow, do all those things. Darling, yeah, moving you who. No, be a born be oji for how many years? Yes, you. Now, so this girl do. And I have but I'm a Oh, ni huanye na. Ni huofena, o huanye la mwa. person where I drive rat for, he don't pursue snake enter my house. Huh? Emati. Oma, oike ya wo ike ya hioma. Webo. Or bege webo ovie. Me una come abroad, people they wait to na. Eya ma you when you ma trafficking ya wa. Ngwa amu hiya because even wa usen wa mu gi oma wa ya ai wa ke ya wo. These people say I can't thief them. Salobwa. They yo carry thief, they yo carry enter me. Ije. Nothing shock me. I say, Mona, see you. Person we I don't get problem with. They want to use me to do advert where they want to take on abroad. They want to use me to do advert where they want to take on abroad for Canada. When I not see that Canada show the way it be. Or you want to not baby. I say, Jesus. So, me genuinely put my leg for granted. Do advert for una. Even when the thief people money. Make una take grow. Una want to drag me. Why do biri yo me o si me logo be gwe nu wa ya kun go. Imara wa ma do waji. Na that time te no say yan na. Ah, no we say no wa hen ga gbe ye gbo hin wa ike yahu. Awa. The one wey help una. See their friend wey help them now for marriage wey they do. No be they collect 8 million so. 8 million I they collect for that one hand. No why we say ya na ga gbe here here. No remember. Ya ga ya gbe no gbe. How we he yeke wait the right so right. A musician of fail again remember. A musician of yigere bowa. People wey come meet for the industry for how many years? You want tell them say they not rich. I get the manak bene be live video now. Or if when na do ye be you know some kind of people when you go be now, you go collect all the glory. Now so them be you. If you say me I just support them small, they'll just collect the glory, they'll come talk to mama. Many people don't do one for me. To me for this space. But when work be here if when what you do, you go carry if when go up. Wa work baba re o wadara. Nothing. I give me a mirror baba ya go. You say now this one. Ogono ga aro we baby ahin. If you just come out, you go be like say think I want money a grace je kene anjiri. Go carry on. I don't do anything. Maraya ma do anju. Oni here ti time as some van ti e boyo. I na ga me mi o pa ni we ge ni mo da fun yi. I na bege mi no hian ya ni ya na we ni o bojo. Ile ewe be koko ile ewe ba dagba. I na bege mi ne hian man ni ya na we ni o boyo. I na bege ba gbon gbe ya na we ni gwin agbe. Ni gwin agbe. I na gele mo hian doge dans le dokpa. Ga eta mi ge testa ka ke le destiny do mo ave finya ibi tota. E ho wa to da son. If to say no be una con carry me. This boy wey ekia yehere, that boy wey get small prick. He really tell them say ni am do gbe. Ni am aton ame. Ni am aton ingene dem say Facebook view no dey again. Mena ton yan ye na gbon ya sian. When you reach my own, yan we even view yan ba do. They just take opportunity of him yan. Inu yan ye o hu ba vo ran vili. These people use agatamame. I go say no lie. Then you know where you are. They just look everywhere. We can not be on hanging on Jeva. Mogi making on the live video now. Make give up. Even though say 30 people they pursue me. I know the imana. You see say if I know offend person, e koku do me na you cannot buy or see any Gemini team on there. Or what even? You over where you over. Go and ask your mama what they use that in TV. Waiting I fear pass for this life to go offend person, no day. To go come look for your trouble. If you know that is I'm offending the God in me. Now be that one. You see you when you say you want to come meet Rita for where you sit down put. Over I do good now. If you are set here where na over. Every na bata. If you see that spiritual where you want to go, if you are work a spiritual is if you be outside. Go listen to my name na yemiomo. E kene fariri aje bu wegbewe ya zo bonora koi egie. O bonora ke fani o gege la diwe gege. O diwe de kota. Na so this girl just come out or wait me do or wait ga ara wo ji him. Even me yak me when you know say that time copyright no even get Facebook. Me no get a copyright. My Facebook never grow. Even the person who tell them they can't fight me, he know the truth. To say person know the program copyright like that. What to boy worry. What he's just supposed to do is to tell me, I'll just go there, go delete all the video where music they hear wakba. He go even do video, talk direct. Say see what he be. Imagine ya fear your never. Yana we Canada no ye na yana ya fear ya fear we Canada no ye na no do mu no ya wa vat. Mema you we wa vat. Mema you we ya wa vat again. Mo me na ya web beauty page ma ya we na gbo we make belelue. Igwo reren no la da we ma order fun we ma na ya belelue. O yi wa si megbe we wa behe hia. We na wa like me ye ke we ni ya di. Ni ado de ba we gbe me wa ya me wa vat no ya re we bu. E we boni. Anywhere no ho ahia won te we bu ya fe. E ma aro no ka offend we me irita. Oh, he me oba be bon e dien do he hia so ma son so ma van so ma pepe. He so ma ni ya no no tag na ya fe. Oba no hu na ya fe ya de ba me gbo. O less ti gele ra we ta hoji. I ga fi we para son la we. Ana mie hi ma I get ma offend me. I ga fi wo bi ba son la we ana mie hu ma offend me. E mi ni rifi o e. O kian la we gbe go to ifanoro abeg o jib object o ju pon je mi o ya gada ya gbe wa this way. Na so we go be. He say one can use me to make money. He not allow when I vie masalo boame. Again agmona you work when go me na you work one. He sit down come they say me no give you again say he get 3,000. He come they call 3,000 they call 4,000 view on top of my head. Really, darling. How is the money you make from them today? He go no kwa never wo we 3,000. O mari Tony here. E o sawa here ya we be. Ekiru. Are you not returning all of them by fault? Who can return here? Who go agbi na who we bogbi? My sister shift. Mani we bo agwan lawa. You just say that person where they outside the shop, they do it from different places. E mani e bo you go webo. Abu wana ni membo na they look from where bo de mo ebo le different place. O ma mi ni jore no hion batama o we go ye 40 years igmina. O ma no ma wo we mi da ma wo we emi ro pe ni ka wo gui na ni ka we ga hwe hia for no reason less it ra we de wo ji mogili kati wa vin ana miega e be ri wo kati mi vin e fa wo da so na o pa isan afo san azu pe no be gbo e re na bata isan na afo be gbe zu pe isan afo we gbe zu pe isan e ga de ma me na mu nda we be life you na ku ga hin du hu eniwe na are ni be hia do mu nda ri toto amana gbawe bagmona nwe go vie bot me ku ho ahia gbawe e story ne gede gba hia we bu fana motien wo ye jeku orukmo una decrease. How is the market today? Now so they come the wrong competition. Now so they say they want better pass people where they go meet for industry. Yage ma ye ne ru ni biere ya ne am man or industry. Ni e na ye man e managmo. Before you know it, turn on like where we go. I don't know why they know the dress for this abroad. No, and I don't think, but I don't know where most of them fighting. Oh no, whether you agree make on with what have the man with that was. Oh, my fighting, my darling. Ununi, why yak betting on your bow? You don't know when you are yak betting. Who can the yak betting in way? Oh, you mean about way. They play. Why yak betting for you talk? At the end of the day, don't go fake account to go to Tayina and go to Tagon. How do you catch one get Kundugun? If I know baby away from 94 years old, baby, take 4 years the baby. He would be 8 months. You're back with baby jig of a giving at ye. Igere. Now so they do. Or let's say Mogele will trouble, more women. If not, you get a minimum of pine vanishing amount of pine for to win what the total street. No worry, you're a big. You got over here and water. How we must soy. You are not rich and what will you hear me? Now you can't look for a picking trouble. Now you still tell mama say of you where you have water. What will do have man of you where you have water? Really? Here na hin, no way waje no boy oje. You don't know the one way you did. It did be. Where are you one ya police mo? Go me come for us. The boy here make me at you when you know where Larry, one a miserable hey. Where we left you now, really. Who do your boy a bono wig bese? Anna me, roka when a wodo with me and the total don't want me for no reason. Now so they come the verse say I want to play their music again. Why am I contracting me? Ah, bomb wiver. Una not give me contract. I don't give una contract. If me music go there, ina so an love eh. Ina be. Wana lebare. Ona de yin wa. Wana ko they pretend. Say this and that. Where me page you were there. Where me page you were there. Or you was saying when we are gbele ra ye 344 Joshua vie rougi. Una rulere. Again we do ya en real live video. Why when we na wo gbin anyway no ma mona. It's a promise that I promise you. E kenina mi ba gboe. Iba no na mi me. You must see me there. Because you don't want me fia ibi tota. Ba be ni ya si wan lele we na. You don't want me fia ibi tota. E kenina mi ba gboe de ba gboe ni an gboe de ba gboe e ni gboe. Ni an gboe physical de ba an gboe, ni an gboe spiritual de ba an gboe. He don't leave me. Make he even say, what it be copyright? Or make he tell this guy, say, any copyright no sununa. Any Natalajan, what's the neighbor way communication? Why did the white people bring communication? Is it not for people to communicate? A musician go communicate. Why you compose music here? Who we communicate in Hammer? What can make a minute? Me, I don't even know whether something they follow Facebook, they go. I have a total set illiteracy. I total set a copyright. I've been a copyright, they follow Facebook automatic, they come out. Or where they ball on any our stage in no way who get the work or nothing I be total for no reason. Who win a bag more? A setting your hole. Or man, no when it's done on Ziba, or not realize when it's done in you now. He a gilly offend on mana. Or money, or me peace, egg giving wedgie. Yana when do bin an ear. I'm a cat with me an ear for the worry me fan row. I wouldn't be fan or the baby. Yage, have yagminane, then they are about a fan or where I'm wenda. Or can you go to Vecumwe? We are not 3,000 view problem, no day. But 10,000. Just a moment, my darling people. Let me quickly block a person here. No, I not be God, though. Not at all. I can never be God. But she herself not be God also. Wait, decide say she want to share me, give people, make them shop for street. When I don't offend them. I not be God though. She herself not be also God. How market today? Go and see shame and disgrace. May we listen to the one where Abat play today, my darling people. You know, you're lying. If to say now before you go see them. They go open live video. They want come at the 5,000 views. Who am I go wagi la diam? Why do take it over here? Na shame, dismay for everywhere. Ema ya ni we ya say the live video yana agbele ya say here. Copyright 1 cent. Wait till go even communicate. Those people go delete out. They go even know in love. People will know how to communicate as a human being. My darling people wa rebe no IGE wa ya go men wa hin wa we yo bomene Facebook maybe monetize ne wa man. You know they. If yes so ami wa. He begin to call the name. If yes son ami wa. If yes son ami wa. Anora we bonegwa dress. Even ni gogo, then you walk over me live video na ogano. Ni wago go. You see, I don't present that way. Come on live video, come they defend you. I'm ali me de agbera wale. Defend waiting. We don't know go juking. Evidence full aside. Evidence full aside. Don't have do rip mo get we and okay. I will rip mo get we jabat in there. I'm do rip mo get one. Young way. Ona wetin ye hia ho wetie de no awo ekia no ho ya amuju o he spiritual ya amuju o vonisa physical awo abagun no maso gbase va no we na fin yiwi a market me no laugh no why I no go laugh you guys go soon use a shop aduro for yes na aduro ya wa ya ere human trafficking ore ya daji ya fief you bog malegbe ewe bona my name is my darling. Weke bari o wari bejian bonne we webu. Aya where ya duro we webu na. Aku. When the evidence na waro no vun live video na. He bring me here, he bring me here, he bring me here, he bring me here, he bring me here. Now so this one go say, I want come abroad, they'll go pack guests. Guests go line up with the sing. Why me a boss in Oliluwa sing ba? Guests go line up with the sing. All of them want come abroad. Human trafficking. Eh? Una come they talk say people wait there abroad. Wanna now na follow them play quarrel pass. He say Dr. Rita, it be like say she don't say her go do. Abi. A million say young return. A workman who ya van vi ho. Igbo anasi no. Okman where she take man for. If to say na present at this one they approve for everybody, so yan gbe wo wa gen yan. Wo wani yan you got mo very bo. They go see the sound dance for inside. Wo wani yan rai wo biosi rai wo begin ya bo. They go the dance for inside there they say, "Eh baba yan, am yan italo we live video baba yan de o baba am market." Eh man italo bo e hian ma so we. The truth of the yan dwigori. Or tell what they suck pete no ya ha magbon with the gwagmoro. Or they on to boy ga pay no go thief for person ant. Or they all you wen balo. O sani agbe fi yoga sweat the degbe. Now you know, but it don't be like this now. We be say why wa me like this woman we close business because of unama. More listen to this thing and that people. You go see the bid on top of their money. No sorry, my darling. My darling, this thing will settle down. This thing will happen. See the way it happen. Let me settle down to explain to you. You know the of a green baby. Yeah, where knows your to or to say native. Oh boy, yeah, we need it. When we walk on the name, and me even give you money. Because they come meet for outside. At the end of the day, I'm market. As you know, on a don't become international barrel. If men on women are the never have. See, la video, you don't mean I do your 5,000, we went out here. The video went back and very blog. I see a guy in the family. Thank you. You got the same to now.
I don't come back to me. I want you stupid devil. Come, you must stop doing you.
That time person talk, he go say, I'll go deal with you. May you come Nigeria. Now you get Nigeria. Come Nigeria. I'll deal with you. I will do this. I'll take you to the police station. I'll use Ayaki to follow you. Osalo Bwanirami. Now you thief for person, now you they use police to they intimidate your life. Why they me born there? He said the volume change. What you what are my mouth or woman? I'm so beneath people talking. Now what thief for person, now what see the last person join out to see. It down any because society do a good. Where why we don't know energy? Who we are mudia. Oh, what are my mouth or woman? Mama Sharon, how are you? What happened? Voice big change. No, I be one put on for Bluetooth. I be one put on for Bluetooth.
So, you be your friendly enemy.
Now this video now I want play so.
As I tell you, you be your friendly enemy. Take time. The second time that video that you want go. And they wait for you for that one.
Can you imagine?
And they wait for you for that one.
Your money.
The second last time live video presenter, now you want to meet and they wait for you. Now why they tell you to go? I see the reason why when you ask us that for favor, when the papa that way wrong, because you are not to be trusted. I don't understand you. You know the best way that they trust. Come to my house that time, they follow that way they play. You have to be trusted. You say that. Brother, call me, not fear. He says, since me block you. You never hear for these things and everything. How you want to get your sister money, you go say that you are a bastard. May go live video. I dey wait for me go. Me dey wait for the profile. Me go live video. Your application there, embassy, go track on. And they wait for now. You know my ask for me.
Never like video for this kind of matter.
I do the first money, they only run. About the lie, maybe people they block you. You say you never hear from me since that last time. I block you, I want to come in to talk. To hear today, even this morning you write me, go on my WhatsApp. That idiot guy. Anyway, I'm not blaming enough for that.
Update on visa fraud, visa rackets, Destiny Bagua. When I see this lady where I not show her so now I word best friend. Destiny still play her. Destiny owe her as we speak almost 10 million. I think to around 12 something million before. Black Destiny don't pay 3 million. It remained almost 10 million. Now, this girl so I be very.
This fraud, it started from Europe long time. The girl will carry prick command. Now this duping, I made the girl verse carry this thing command. What you not to say make and carry a command that time? This is small prick story where not great command for ground where busy children want to hear it. Now this duping, tipping people money. Now I say cousin. I know that girl very well. Her name is Rita. Now Greece, now she for come go bejo. Now Rita, my own namesake, or Muki Island. Or Mammy Rita no go where you lay. Consider you for trouble for another Rita and. Very fine girl. You can't go meet her for Belgium. After he date the girl, say he want buy tipa for her. Ona ari yo iho, say he want to help her invest for Bini. That time money de Belgium. No way where all these boys no. If the joy say guess they do a shower for year that they make money. Now so she take the run. She Destiny and the others where they gather. I don't want to mention their name because you not consign them. The day where they will come carry me for a total. It really means that day now begin they had the enjoy matter. Some of them where they in that land, the day whole land, the day they wherever different place. Just you don't know anything. When they happen for Benin talk less another state, they too they brag. Now brag then they. Now so all of the day they gather they go Belgium that time. If they go Belgium, the bar we guess for the work. They will go there say they won't go buy them drink like customer. They will sit down here on the other one will take this one. They will look the one with slim, but they were following slim girls. The one with slim where be say you know say guess where slim young be bojona we both like slimness. So those one with slim where be say they are total they hot for na printing machine. They will just collect those one. They will promise their name. They'll say you know be Destiny Bagua. You could say I hear your name. You know you hear that music. You put that music for me listen to. Destiny Bagua no yo sawo. Destiny o siesiga. Destiny Bagua no yo sawo. Destiny o siesiga. Destiny Bagua no yo sawo. Destiny o siesiga. The guy go say e. So when I think sorrow. But when you ask him, I go say yes. Sorrow. The guy go follow them. Cause you might fake why you be a marriage or worry now. The kind of marriage where you go do for that the guitar where you go marriage. Now you be want to do for that one. You can't now you tell that one say you want to do for us. Say a marriage man where how when it's your word. That one can't say your husband want follow and invest. You don't know say todo vin go back. You can't collect money for you, and so the girl take carry money, everything. Say the girl go buy tipa. Oh, you not printer here with Belgium. He can't the printer they come. Even the money will go give him. He say, Mama, you supposed to write agreement too. Agreement for which one? Okay, for music. As they said they want use that bat, Mama till they sing that day. I think say he want sing for me. Me sing for me now. Me, he want viagion via my babukwana. He want composing one ye tell. He mu give musician and lyric instrument. Now let you sabi sing. Nothing where person want to fight me. If I want beat you where I know fit to fight you back. Now musician, guitar in that way you have deveki. I'll go back or guitar. He dori busy way. May you sing and say bebo. Not be that one way you say a laga. Which kind of thing? Now the girl come to manage the small prickle. Or he tell and say he want to do marriage. The girl come follow and they do marriage. Marriage matter. That one come they pack money give her. Not be so the time where that one come to year of a skeleton of the guitar. Neither one say, So you they follow a skeleton of the guitar way be say you they promise me marriage. Yeah. So you are this woman, I want they can't that one can't know, you can't see some audio for inside phone. We be saying that one they communicate, they say ya what being you have a child in the bedroom now. Now I call Jinya ya you know. You can't follow a skeleton of Beziga, a guitar they arrange that thing to say I have a child in the bedroom now. When that one can't know, you can't say okay. Bravo. I know that too. Don't say I'll teach you a lesson that you will never forget in your life. Ekiwe mi awa vumu. Awa afieki ani fiwe nebo bege ewe oye hire ya te manage. Na enda wan just carry the prick. Koma so kwa ona wa vu ya. Ona do mu fi to ma itara. Ona mu ge musician e wa be seke ne be live video presenter ni wa be ge.
Guys, watch this update.
That one job bomb in the prick. Oh where fiwe ta. Ni mayalo, agbo ya hilo ti today. We be say dey ada. Good evening, Mama. Ghost time, my darling. Mon pama de bayan loué. Ni bi se ni hange you that we live video ko say. No look for my trouble. I say look for my me na wa be roule ari ke no je yamu. Because even now I yag me na re my darling people. So na so way be o. That one come carry a prick, come put am for street. The girl come the verse say, so you carry I get backstage singer, no be saying I even joke. A bass, me. Mokpa a bass, mokpa guy soprano, mokpa guy me ya. It was like computer, if a bass and soprano. I'm not an illiterate. A bass and soprano, it was ye latin. It was learning between 1 hour. Then I bassing one it was collect you a that mowa. Akbaka. Yeah. Now you only use a bassing. Go more area. That will be a bonado way. And hell, they made do what like music here. You are music, you know, wake Benny, I release you or where that one. Or go, man, I so whether this way, no let it talk. You know, say I don't be the toto. My darling people, now so they take carry that one. You know, what make here, you know, you don't learn from that one. They can't use that visa, this is that they come Europe. Now that time the girl can't expose them exactly. Now so they can't enter Europe women can't defraud them. They were not threatening. A lot of people were really afraid of them. They think they can really do a lot of things. So say maybe ni and one they were intimidating. If you see people who intimidate, they intimidate for when they have offended. Now they intimidate. When they know say they don't offend, they do wrong. What they do no good. Human trafficking is against abroad rule. To be trafficking people into abroad for money. The right way where you both say people take the entire abroad is to go and take visa in the embassy. You do the application by yourself. Everything they did. Go and apply. If agents come and say you want help, they allow agents, but you are not a registered agent. That Lagos State, Nigeria, Edo State, no anywhere. You don't have a licensing agency work. You didn't go to agency school. People who do agent business, they went to the school. They read in school called business administration. That is what they read. Either the business or mass communication or people who know how to do customer service work. Good evening, sir. How you there now, Ambassador Monsigo? See, they did what they call business admin. Relating with customers kind of courses. That's what they did in university. Because if you have done the course, you will know how to deal with customers. You will be relating with customers very well. This is your voice where they yes, where they say, you like this? You don't do this one? You won't talk like that because you have business admin techniques. Those are the first thing they will teach you. How to manage customers. How to manage customers. How to manage their feelings. How to understand them. How to be able to talk and relate to them. So, meaning you don't have any agency qualification. You don't have any agency rights. If to say abroad want jail you, that is the first thing they will ask from you. Doing agent work illegally. They call it prosélytisme aggravé in France. French, you see France, that France one they go do music, is the biggest human trafficking way go ever forget you for prison. That France one they carry people, they go do the human trafficking. Prosélytisme aggravé. Now France they call it. They add aggravé join their own. For the whole Europe, human trafficking in Europe call it. Now only French now had aggravé join their own. Aggravé meaning very to them it's not thinkable. Anyhow you do as long as you are not giving the license to run it, as long as you are not giving the qualification, as long as You, nobody qualify you. You just be like this doctor where they face death sentence for, I don't know, be like saying I'm North Korea, I don't know. We go buy certificate for any other country they do doctor work for their country. If they finally caught him, they are sentencing him to death. That's what it is, because you are putting the life of people into whatever. Now so it be. Now these illiterates stay they run around. Human trafficking. You know what? It's human trafficking, my darling. They call it human trafficking. You don't know what they call human trafficking? You think that when you only tell people to say, I'll count you 50 million. This is human trafficking. If they enter the page of agency, they know what agency fee, how much is agency fee. And if they enter into their whatever, they know how much is visa fee. How much is visa fee? Any embassy you open right now, go and check their visa fee. An agency fee, they know how much, and they know how much you are charging. The money you are charging, they call it exploitation. Oh, I'm not, sir. Hey, yeah, my darling madam. And they see ambassador for day. You understand? They know what it is. Now, na take by Africa, we be say Nigeria gigialo. He die for everywhere. Person go buy something 1 cent. You carry and come market always 300,000. Now he be. The other one go just see and say that one at 300,000. Why we change over to 300? Poverty not be your country turn to is survival. The spoiler. Because of greediness, one person is greedy, one person want to make it more than the other people. Alubara wey be say you buy for 10 cents, sell them for 50, 20 cents, 30 cents to collect your own lie. They go even make sure say they make the something scarce in the market so that other people will suffer the consequences and they will have no choice than to come and buy. The things where governors, the things where leaders do for Africa are small. The one where we ourselves as human beings, where we take destroy country, na many pass. You know, you say when no Sabira go buy doctor degree, can you imagine? You see, this is what happened. At the end of the day, embassy will tell you that they call it human trafficking. You will say no, it's not human trafficking. Who told you? That's called human trafficking, human exploitation. It's not only trafficking, proselytism aggravated, human exploitation against their will. You don't do what they call beraton. When you are doing a professional work for people to travel, you have to have, that's why you should have the degree of agency so that you will be able to tell them to say, fill a form of consultation. Consultation is what you give to people to do. After people have passed through consultation, anywhere where you go for this abroad, you won't do anything. The first thing they give to you is a professional consultation. You will be consulted nicely. And after the consultation, you have understood. You'll be given a form to fill that you agree. Your consent is on it. You have understood. This is how to run it. That's what they tell the runner. If you come to us and say, now so many of them enter abroad, they call it human trafficking. Whether they enter abroad like that, they don't enter like that. It's human trafficking. You traffic human. You traffic human. Not come to us say, not be like, no. It's, they call it, okay, what name do they call it? The crime is human trafficking. And you know the J terms where they follow human trafficking, they go not be say, tell you. Only this one now where they go hear for abroad. Hear your voice, hear everything. Abroad people will tell you to say, so all these people we are dealing with, illegal people where we don't know where we want to put for abroad, and they pack them come illegally. Under the pretense, your visa will be revoked. Your opportunity of entering abroad will be very, very at stake. Very, very at stake. Because you are not entering abroad for your own personal reasons and purposes. You are entering to use it as a business means for other people. You say they use and help people. What kind of help is that? Is that how to help people? Is that how to help people? When they come say return people money, you can say, hey, I tell you, say I want to do this one. The next thing they'll go, they carry to intimidate us. Yeah, mwebo. Or no enter bini, I go do you this one. Make una shift. Una shifty. This time around where we did so. We are talking about real job. The time of fakey one, don't do take key country. It don't pass. Oh boy, I make kill and die the day I agree. If you be musician, say that they pay you your 400,000, your 500,000 when you go dance. Enjoy and in peace. No ya fe, no ya yuba. No ya yuba, no ya dolimon, dolo doji dolimi. Ya you rock by way. If you be worker and cleaner, you they clean your money, you receive your salary to multiply. Because that's what God, the lay down rules and regulations where God give every human being. Any work na nurse you be, na doctor you be, you receive your money, you suffer for it, you upgraded yourself to reach that level. Not be bezien kind of a thing. Not be bezien kind of your thing. Me, I quickly get this one's in. And the worst part of it, or you people are coming to use those fake life to intimidate. And now I'm the king of all fake life in the whole world. The fake life, they all go. Oh, we are. That's why they talk like the joiner. He say me can call and that time ask him for help. Who did you? The time where I tell they beat it a two-way for her. Where I tell they fight a two-way that time, where a two-way they fight him. Now he take come meet me. As he meets me, he can't give me the profile of a two-way. Wait till I go take beat a two-way and all those things way. Because a two-way they drag her. I can't really use all those things to beat a two-way way. I know ask 1 cent. To say, give me 1 cent or 1 help, you know, they. I only just tell and say, beg if you not see you, you know, my mama on way up because see my God just not be say me I go ask her for help. You want to call live video women up to be happy. Oh, what can you be even why you to tie confidence to he said, "I saw me come tell and say, come and help me." He just carry my video audio, come they play my audio for live video. Make a gelega on my mood away me and see what, but I me forget your audio record through everywhere plenty. And I don't leave it away until where DJ Froze. Now he coming for inside this house. I don't even talk on one day until ya baby now ya do asuno. DJ Froze. Now he come say la worita. E matter na get away. He can't put one man, one woman, one lady related to Kapteusa for. Can't put on for grand. Uhuri na do guan, mayana do guan was usani. Ya say 2 years, any man would be yo. Na la yo, or you warona wa do togi. He said, "You see me, me. This one do I work with mama no myself, boy, every woman make it wait. This who is this? If you want to succeed in this life, you owe for. Oh, in why you catch up with you people. What say I want to make you come help me for? The one where my passing you, a police, no, or retire a donny now retire, I see the bini. A workman, I say, oh, when a workman, the baz, a sapler or doggy man, Jimmy Mavia police station, Jiva bag, and Yate, Yana lay, Yake police station, Amune, picture, finish. They go hide, Abazi Bazibani. They hide, they can't take picture, and that one, they just can't make a for life, you know, allow. This guy even had that thing for inside Bele, saying, he want use until laugh me, or you know, in case of ask me what he did there. Omara, Omadoma, I invite you on a river. Oh, when I know what move will let EFCC here, and I'm here with Ukia so. Why is there payos who depressed, who work on that phone? How market for that one? The time when Fana Motin like be, me, I don't use that opportunity. I'll come put my platform, say me, I can't use until they laugh them. She just say I get enemy. She just hide into my enemy. She just begin to drag me. What's a lot one rami? So, my darling people, me I play. Me I play. Me kuna hear the way City Nigeria to the flog them with evidence.
This update. Just take a look at this video.
Evidence. Oh, why am I? Now that one I make everybody can't even say wow.
This girl so I be vexed for her. You know why?
Evidence.
This girl supposed they among this woman or lady or girl. Suppose they among the first 5 people where Destiny is supposed to pay. Last year we started this matter, she pull out. The Destiny can't pass back, go beg her. She can't pull out, deleted all the voice notes she sent to me. So as she can't come this time around, I call it first for her. But what did already involve money? It's not easy to gather money, give person. So now I've started compiling fresh names. I need 10 fresh people because now the Abuja matter like Destiny and Esther and Edward they go now. Esther, she be happy now. At least Edward now don't do the matter. Not be only you now because now Edward friend believes. So we are compiling 10 names. In the next 5 days, if you don't join these 5 names, these 10 names that you sabi, because the first 6 before when I handle, Destiny has paid them, don't clear them. So I will compile fresh 10 victims of Destiny. You know the way I want to treat your matter, you go send me
1 minute, my darling people. Daddy T, oh. Daddy T. Come and see what your son did to my phone. BT.
Destiny has paid them, don't clear them. So I will compile fresh 10 victims of Destiny. You know the way I want to treat your matter, you go send me video with your face, not a message or voice note. The way this woman can do and so. To send me video, my name is also Percy. See how much you give Destiny. See where they say they carry you go. Because where would they carry Destiny they go? They say they need videos of the victims. So if you don't send me video, don't come here my inbox. And the first time when I have collect money, they don't be happy now. Some don't go do their business, they don't be happy. Maggie person they owe you 12 million, just pay once. I know my person they cost you, they insult you, they drag you things. So make it up there say, I just they talk. Make you hear this lady as she walk out with Destiny. Watch.
Good morning. My name is Sarah Kolu, Hayward's friend. I met Destiny Ibaba through Hayward, which is my friend. My very close friend. Very, very close. He told me his husband is doing travel for people. I told him I would like to go to UK just to go and come back. He said that.
Advert. Somebody say if somebody thought I go use and sing. Now to the Agbere Vane. Like Bonnie and Nidi. Agbari Binario can be. Somebody they call. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Hey, oh, Ije, how you dey?
They find out try to call this number since no network. They know they go at all.
You know see where they call Erodo Nana say Ipiki don't come on my internet. Now you come they put them back again now. I don't know I did one just come on.
I just say call. I just say watch you. Like people they call now. I say we need to talk for this issue.
Why you not go talk? Yes, ma'am. Look at my issue with this shit.
Yes, so Mama, you see, sometimes we go to find somebody battle. You just be like dream.
I'm telling you.
What did Esther do for that period? Me too, I not expect her.
I said the Lord will fight for you and you will hold your peace.
Yes, so the thing shocked me. The way you don't write because of copyright. We go fit call you. Esther, you forget the time when they use it, they sing. When they praise all of Funda.
Oh, we are about to bene yakun go. The worst part of it touch he say you want we are to bene yakun go me mak bo yakun go.
Because he just say issue dey social media.
Eh, on about the opportunity me.
All of them use up. Mama, today, wait, you know what? Today will call. See shame and disgrace.
Oh yeah, what?
Mama, the one way Esther they do for her side, now small thing, they cry when they cry for his house. They cry when they cry for his house now.
Oh, what me lad then? Which me joke? Oh, which me joke? Give me your head, what do? Now he come look for my trouble. He made me buggy get he dead. The desperation became so high.
Mama, we did this issue at it's not to 6 months. See her shame and disgrace now. See her shame and disgrace. See
everyone.
People money they don't say they can. They go they spend money for
people money. You get re.
2 million, 3 million.
You get re, my darling people. You get re.
What did I call her? Pa go beg ya. I didn't know man see one say. No,
I'm telling you. Because some of the suffer you get na legit money na. Oya we si won fi na you know na legit money. You get legit be my darling. Egbe fa na e set mi river.
Ola je na me wewe. Iya ga pere 3 million. Iya we camera tane.
You get re. Ni adorie mi yo we na mo property re hin ba na gbe ma wa mi ya mi ve gbo. Egbe ma le boy na je. This bank. Yes. Exactly. Dankeschön. The kind thing where they say then do so. Ije any nine. Iya enti set him up. We doni. Iya gbe am me ego. How gbe wa me ige won ege you know all these people now.
This race is too much.
The way they take open eye for money.
How bad finish there? We prove.
And I mean like it. What I like for our bat body. I've been not quit the look out. I was thinking it's a lie. When evidence can they come out?
Me too, I sure.
Evidence or ya go here and bog evidence.
Mama, you know what me don't know. Where the thing new start? I said, Azaba just do genocide, maybe no man, jealousy and all.
Evidence.
But this one, when he start to bring proof that. If they kill it, I kill it. Don't be muyala tarena. The shame and disgrace.
When on Zinyaji, Abati, yes, Azuwa. Evo ya what the bow because my way me down my brother. This is reality.
Because also, sir.
My way me down. Oh no, na Edian don't read with the bow. Azeno so ya man even zero ya pack be at the bow. Abati no or Bazel.
Mama, the truth of the matter is that since we are bad, the 5 people for social media. This one win award though.
Oh, one win award did you
Abba win award.
Oh, win award did
You know what Abba win award? We prove.
Evidence so ya walking about going away.
Yes, so with the voice, the mouth voice. Because no, this one.
A big banana may like evidence. Why you not a bon la blue? Oh, walking out with evidence.
The good one I do for Esther for social media. It beats all of una puts.
Oh, man, for Pario Sabwagele ya beya to no belly. Oh, boy. What power we are living never shifty.
To people, the whole Europe, where he stand for them.
If you come there, he get one woman where he come me that time, my son.
He must come out for apology for the whole Nigeria in the whole wide world. If not so,
oh, but here what I here. You know what he do? He can't come out. One woman can't come me that time and say, Eritoto. That time, he right cannot be me of Simon Bossimo Wene. They can say, oh, Hona, we notice a bit in winning die. It be a ballet that time, don't they ask one bag of conny? One bag of enemy not back. One bag of we. You know the time it takes change. When Esther really take the change, little. He can't raise the chest, he can't buga at the time where you pass. Even now, what like be my darling people. Even now, what like be. Ona do afile na egbe oni ro hin on your problem no wa me. Because of the music where they sing, he won't go talk. He say even the people where they they don't know how to dress. Who are you? When I we fear na. And if we talk now we don't give her. Am I selling one day? You me mosa. Mori ye de. Am I who wear? So I want to tell say you get money that kind pass that kind of person. People, the whole social media, whether good or bad, no one way no see your praises, no one way no see but like you now, person like you when me know right from the one. Before Esther post, you don't share her. Before Esther they go anywhere, you don't date there for her. But when you won't misbehave, you don't look. Jimmy, my darling, oh, you want the worst part of it all, mama. Oh, Jimmy, the one way can't even surprise me past. Now, so I can't look at. Oh, we are bene ya me attention with UK. Ya me our VAT ye business in ya uni ya go. Na we end the game na be ne. Mami said no atoshi na etoche ma. Uga toshe ma.
Mama, can't you see it? Can't you see Edward? That woman, whether good or bad, could you imagine Esther be one break this Edward leg come out with the children?
Yes, now.
Esther children, they be one.
Now you want bring and they follow and do competition. Even at that bad self, now so they still betray her. After they don't use her, you don't help them for Lilian, Wevinian, Webunian, Jobo, Dove here. That one can't still help them.
No. Esther to do. Okay, Mama.
It be the fine one, $1. Which live video presenter? What I told you? Which live video presenter will come and because they say, how about leave the evidence in Wawa over where you were here? See if now you be safe. Oji we because do we oji. You know if you just say man wa mu ma right you go atakparapa no gi oji. I begging you leave you say na waiting. Awa agboji. It has been on the Nintendo iPhone. Agboji. Or when na wo jeria wo ba me. Obame when na wo jeria wo it has been on the Nintendo iPhone time. Agboji e go paro na ya agboji awa fiance oji so ra muta ya le yan. If to say no be mercy of God where I give me justice you born at this time around. Take it to the right place. Social media is big. Social media has power. That is why if their name if they don't do evil, if their name won't come on social media, they'll say, no, I will deal with you. I will take you here. They'll begin to threaten. I won't go meet your papa, meet your mama. Why are you going to come and ask me? I can't hear it. I'm going to have the day and away. I can't hear you again. You put to dog away. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put to. You went in there. But they don't come away. If they agree, oh, yeah. I can't hear you away. Go and shop. Abina, I want to play music for you. Music in quoi? Veni menamo nuime. Where they na kwe do bogome. A kaba me ado gbe yo himi oni san mega wood. Where be seven na himi. Again one na with talent of what you jam with me. Another talent, fresh one, you never ever notice. Now you go see. They play. Ugboloko kake woman on me kebe woman on me gbe. Ya agbe no dele yo se ayiga bege. Eke ugboloko na gbe se fun. Wa were wa do tamame. Eke ugboloko na gbe se fun. Wa were wa do na to imame. You get this me. How bad for they do right from kind? They'll say, how bad this one? Oh no, my darling. Oh my rock back. If you say anybody will just talk to about any year this time around, so me they do the person who may one battle talk boy. La one battle boy, you are more organized dig bear at this woman. You are twice you already. Who may one battle talk boy. La re if I no lion gola we bear. Now so I detect the person. Ever, but I will bog budian with me again. One of my Nigeria man. Illegality, you people need to leave the streets. The country has suffered enough. Legit people know you borrow when winner. Nicely, they must be seen. I beg a young generation will see something better to emulate. It's not be nonsense. A boss I got one day young yahoo. They find people where they want cut to yet make a be like the cinema go and ejubojogo. Or was it in say, or ye never son, or your van, or your here, or your water, what getting the lady rammy no bomb here. Imagine if you don't complex logavo yakbo dayanga oni yakoda oni magmu. Uma yes, my brother la here ke nu ya tota e basit nu kote ati I'm here bakwe. Illiteracy wani waga bomb yo dawe managmu ni no sunu wewo. No. Time has gone. Time don't reach when people take they wake up. Africa has suffered enough. And don't suffer rich. How he done man with son man. The worst part of it all. No, he was son himself free saying that a banuati Jesu no give baba. Agbeu government or like do. Agbeu government. If an imagine primary one there, wa begging they want to take over government. Jesu me no give. Baba. Agbeu here like government if do ki am yo bom yo we few beijing yakbo. Isi kanoga din am na na me we agbeu na no fi enter government. Remove the man of government. Just all of them just consider they want to be government and rule. What do you want to rule? What do people go to school for? University of Benin food there. Graduates are there, political science graduates, young vibrant boys who know what they went to school to learn. Young vibrant girls, then they go school. They settle down many years. When they do agbe, they go, they teach people fish from different place to another. These people were hustling and reading. And to be able to why did they go to school? So that they can be, there will be a difference in the society. Oibo, whether you will come be tomorrow Agbewu, you not go be Agbewu, they will first pass you through education. You will pass through it first. After you have passed through it, then you will not come and do that handy job you want to do. Then you will be knowledgeable in that area. You will have the practical and the theoretical aspect of it. You will know the do and don'ts. These people won't lie. They won't even consider for government Agbewu. Now, you want to hold an office. When this man was aspiring to, this Agbewu wanted to hold office, he can't go carry a degree. He say he don't do degree, doctorate. Or come in. I'm a primary one, primary 3 more. What is this? A boy and I'm a primary one, I finish school. You don't finish ordinary primary 6. I'm going to say that JSS 3 exam you write. Not to talk of why you say bye? Who got me you talk? In one talk now say unfriendly friend, you say unfriendly enemy. Then I question my disgrace in a woman as a do people. He's so terrible. He go irritate any normal human being.
Even in a marriage, I planned it with her to make sure the marriage holds, to make sure she's okay. We are so close. I'm even the one that picked their marriage money to see, to tell you how close we are. So I did not believe they would do me this kind of thing. At the end of the day, he said US own has come again. So I send him money again for the US. 5.5 million naira. He tell me say,
good evening,
he go do am. I can't say the UK. He say, man, no worry. He go do the UK home for me. I can't say, okay, no problem. I trust him because Edward is my very close friend when I don't know for years. I don't believe say my friend husband will fit play me while you or to treat me this way.
The truth of the matter be say, this lady they follow that Edward they go because Edward was nice to you. He never play you while you use one hair, play you while you one day or collect money for you, he not pay you. She was nice to you. That is why you feel befriend with her for many years. But you see that your husband, that Edward for him meeting that guy. But you see a skeleton of big guitar. Where you go carry your free cent. Now that one, onion destroy. In short, any destiny I want to kuba babana e tukuba. A skeleton illiteracy na do illiteracy na do ye la mata. A skeleton of big guitar or one money here. Now he spoiled everything. They know why you see can a pride day. If you open my talk with it, you will look for talk. Nene si can babu. Where you dey? Yeah, dismay. Hey, what? Since when you did this social media, my meaning tally there. You see this one? He want to run competition. After he don't finish to run with that woman finish, he can't enter social media. One can they follow social media presenter they do or the presenter they thought they don't finish the entire house now. You know, one when I know more that is why they boldly say they are presenters. You bug way. So many time at have boy. Or man atana evidence ke. The problem is all. Yaga battle tie when they talk and they put evidence in the letter. You will know say that person will go school and they analyze so. Mami analysis a jaba. Now those one me no 1 year for my year. Analysis ni negbe wa oho na wari ovi era bi ni. If they do an evidence, you beg all lie, you lie. When you even go a do come back, you be seeing updates. You want first saga, say no go follow you to saga. You not go follow you. Not be saga you can do. You like you go play song, you don't play song. You want to turn out to saga, not turn out to saga. Oh. This is reality on ground. Just know that in your mind before you start doing whatever. What is the bone of quotation on ground? The bone of quotation is what we direct to. We trace the bone of quotation. The bone of quotation is that you don't have saga with Abat. Two of you are not fighting. The time we wanna talk with you, it don't pass. This time around, we are dealing with reality. The time we wanna get on a saga, no presenter talk put, nobody talk put. Me, I don't even talk put. I dey talk put now because it's reality. It's another matter. Abat no they use hate follow now make on the fight your mama. Thank God since when you don't dey fight your mama, you never fight your mama one day. You never follow your mama fight. No. It was in short, he was saying that it's not saga. He will not fight your mother. He will address the issue on ground. That is how to deal with matters. So you want to talk, address issue. Even if you come talk to me tomorrow, you are on your own, I'll be addressing the issue on ground. The issue on ground is what I will address. Now you know. Now you sabi.
Now, I give Destiny a bagua. Before I give her money, I say a word. Now I give Destiny a bagua. 5.5 million for the US. At the end of the day, nothing. The next thing, I see a word, Esther, Destiny a bagua for Canada.
You see,
I say, how can Destiny? What will happen? You don't do my own. He say in Canada they go, not the US. I say, but if I say use the US money, do Canada for me now. You understand? He say, this one in Canada, they know they use US money, do Canada home. Because I so much believe on my friend.
thank you so much for
This
this time,
matter
Mama.
I'm telling you, since 2021, that was when they did the US, the UK own.
Now let me enter that point. This point this lady talk about. 2021. Where they do this, you would I know that time? Social media were dragging them. 1 or 2 persons were dragging them. Why 30 or 40 people were supporting them? So that opportunity where that 30 to 40 people they support them, majority were supporting them. They were using that opportunity to defraud people. Because the people will come online, the only thing they will hear is people singing praises of their names. People, all platforms where don't big where people they gather. Esther is a user. If you don't know, she's a very big user. She's a very big user. And she not get method. People with method, I don't go they meet them like that. She don't have method. She thinks she is smart, but she's cookie. Smartness get different type. Her own smartness is a cookie type of smartness where they land the owner for trouble. Like she carry. You understand? So, those 30 to 40 people where come to support them, they were using those 30 to 40 people and that popularity and that name that we are going viral, the way people were using it to sing praises, they were using it to defraud people. They come to use it until they collect money from people. They say, you bring, you know, say we they go here, you know, say we go. Then, they were not paying anything for that their name where people they sing. That their music where people they promote for free of charge. They were underground, they collect millions for people's hand. If then go where they were people, they'll collect millions for their hand, collect millions for their hand, collect millions for their hand. To say, you don't see me, now maybe this new bag go on, maybe you shame. That is how it was. If person tell me say Esther they look for trouble, I not go believe until she don't enrich my hand. It don't enrich my body before I really know. That baton I don't want to know. I don't want to reason now because I see the way she take come to me. She came to me. They enter social media everywhere. Many people they fight me for. What are they fighting me for? Not be waiting that they fight them for so. Social media no saga. She click into it. She took whatever they are taking on the platform to come and fight me, to get attention, to take go Canada. Canada is even the biggest concert that you will ever hold in Europe. It's not a joke. The biggest concert where you go hold for this abroad now, be that Canada this thing. The last time when you come to people were looking at you, even that Canada, when people they look you. Oh boy, joke. Evidence is raw. The defrauding evidence, the money that they calculate for our neck, they go almost 200 millions of people's money. I'm a musician, mama make a 7 watch it. Or no, my certain defraudable video. Why me am make a music? Who told you that? Now say they don't make her. Why I do yebo ya yuji? Even say they don't do what like yahoo. You people should go and put your hand work and be doing legit job. Why am we not legitly? When you are legitimately getting your money, you don't have time to defraud people. And you don't even believe in those things. You believe so much in yourself. You are guided by the works of your hands. A confidence in what you boy because it's your money. Not be the one where busy when they pursue everybody. They say, well, I never give you this one. I want to help you. It's a lie. African man does not help like that. Big lie. Don't allow anybody to lie to you. African man will say, I want to help you. You say, waiting. Big lie. Behind every exorbitant help, there is a reason behind it. There is always a reason behind you. What you want to take is bigger. I want to help you come abroad. Help waiting. It's a lie. You saw an opportunity, say you take they come abroad. Say as they go, that they believe in you. All those people wait, say I don't know. They carry people come abroad. Nine. That is what the opportunity you use for them to siphon their money, to collect their money, to be stealing from them, stealing by trick. You enter into human trafficking, you're not banned in Evedo. We're not that way. You are not a registered agent. If you want to be a registered agent, go and register with the government. EFCC not go pursue you. Police not go pursue you. And you will bill according to the requirement of the agency. How agency is supposed to be. Many agents when they use una office say they play people money. That is not how you are supposed to run it. It's greediness. Who be say